There were things that I did, things that I had to do to survive, things that there's no forgiveness for. Name's the Canary. And why would they know you by such a beautiful name? Where have you been? Doesn't matter. I suffer.
You.
Old school weapon. Respect. But can your arrows do this?
friend of mine.
Let him go.
You can't save a city with forgiveness.
You don't have to forgive him. But you do have to let him live. Bitch, knew you didn't have me.
I really don't like that word.
Father to die.
What the hell, Sarah? Who are these guys?
Associates of your daughter, Officer Lance.
She always did have the worst taste in French.
Did you really think we could not find you here?
No. I knew you would.
Now!
You should be mindful of your surroundings.
Guns are a coward's weapon. What are you without your sidearm? Guy with a spare.
You think because you're the beloved, you will be granted your freedom?
There's only one freedom. Let me grant you yours.
You don't have to do this. It's over!
Not yet.
Sarah, baby, don't.
Tell Ra's al Ghul that my family is off limits. His quarrel is with me.
She's been doing that for like an hour.
Sarah, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, I'm fine.
Let me see.
She's a minute hand.
Come on! Come on!
This area doesn't look very residential.
There. That's Talkman's ride.
What's happening?
You don't even know why I'm doing this. The money's not for me. I'm doing this all for her.
Doesn't make it right.
Tempest future.
Time flies.
Just knocked him out.
Are you one of the good guys?
No, but I'm friends with them.
Everything's gonna be okay. Behind you! Oliver sure does like to dress up as girls.
Becoming her.
I'll do what I have to protect someone I love.
Last time this happened, I threw you out a window.
I was holding back. I won't do that again.
You're not a killer.
You don't know who I am, Laurel, not really.
Then show me.